71% of the earth is water. But the water is not as clear as it appears to be. Globally, at least 2 billion people use a drinking water source contaminated with feces. And yes, there is a crisis. While most of us have access to water, clean and safe drinking water remains a luxury for many. According to a 2019 UNICEF and WHO report, 297,000 children under 5 die every year of diarrheal diseases due to poor sanitation, poor hygiene, or unsafe drinking water. 1.38 billion people live in India, but less than 50% of the population has access to safely managed drinking water. The World Bank estimates that 21% of the total diseases in India are because of unsafe water. Between 2012 to 2017, 10,738 deaths were reported in India due to waterborne diseases. Diarrhea alone killed 6,514 people. Waterborne diseases costs India almost $600 million every year. The official think tank of India, the Niti Aayog, acknowledged this and called it the worst water crisis in history, where 600 million people are facing high to extreme water stress. About 200,000 Indians die every year due to inadequate access to safe water. India's water recharging sources are on the brink of exhaustion. Two-thirds of the districts in India are at the edge of complete water depletion by 2030. In November 2020, the World Wildlife Fund listed nearly 30 Indian cities to face acute water risks by 2050. Inadequate water, sanitation, and hygiene result in 18 deaths per 100,000 people in India, which is worse than most of the developing countries in the world. Subsequent lack of planning by the governments, ever-increasing population, rapid urbanization, and human activity has put an extreme burden on existing water resources. The issue of clean drinking water remains unaddressed, while we are at the brink of a water emergency.